Skype starters as I look into. I wrote the night with voices in my head, looking out so I won't turn back.
The kids. This is the lifeline.
Yeah, I remember that. Are you recording?
Okay, so wait, tell me what's happening here.
All right, we've been working on this Kickstarter page for a good 2 or 3 weeks now, and it's all down to this green button. And after I hit this green button, check back with me in a month, because I'm either gonna be really happy.
You are gonna be happy.
I'm gonna be really happy, or I'm gonna be completely fucking depressed.
No, you're gonna be really
I'm gonna be happy. Fuck that.
Yes.
I'm gonna be happy.
So what happened? Why didn't you launch it at midnight?
So we're working on your stupid mix. Well, fuck, I'm gonna hit it. You guys ready? Wait, look, see, Larry's got the champagne ready. Kat's got the confetti ready. Is it all blurry?
No.
Let's all tap it, yo, for good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, Larry. Get it in there. All right. Wait, don't tap it too hard. We're gonna freaking lose the knife. Careful, baby.
Don't point it at anything important.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. I gotta hit the button first. Ready? Ready? Okay.
1,
2, 3. I'm launching. Ready to launch? Ah, what the fuck? Ready to launch? To launch, please review and confirm the below. Dude, talk about fucking anti-climactic. Wait, your responsibility. Hold on, let me read this shit. There we go, now we go. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Yay!
We are live! Oh, and Eric. What? The fuck? Drum roll, please! Your countdown begins now. You want to do what? Tell people about it. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Check it out, y'all. We are 0. Who's the first to pledge?